Clear to information. Echo 2054 Zulu, wind 230 at 11, gust 17. Visibility 10, sailing 4,700 broken, 6,500 broken. Temperature 26, 2.17, October 29er57.
102 Spirit Tower, turn left on course, runway 26 left Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Course 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff, clear check 102.
Citation 560 Charlie Golf, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Contact St. Louis departure.
Departure good day, Churchill. Top Tango with you on the visual 26 left.
Citation 960 Papa Tango, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 25012, gust 19er.
Clear to land, I'm sorry, 96 Top Tango. Top Tango, go to Millionaire.
Citation 0 Papa Tango, roger, at your discretion, Millionaire taxi via Alpha, and it looks like both entrances are open, so you can choose which one you want.
Hey, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. 96 Top Tango. Taxi 0, your frequency.
Spirit Tower, this is Cherokee 9513 Charlie. We're approaching Favog on the RNAV.
And Cherokee 9513 Charlie, Spirit Tower, how does approach terminate?
Full stop, taxi back.
Cherokee 13 Charlie, roger, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
26 left, cleared, roger, 13 Charlie.
And Cherokee 13 Charlie, right, Alpha 5, and said you're going back to the park?
Yeah, we're just going to taxi back and then get out of here. Get out of here, 13 Charlie.
You 13 Charlie, roger, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, taxi via Alpha. And Falcon 8700 Alpha Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 26 left, runway heading, Falcon 00 Bravo, thank you.
Falcon 00 Bravo, contact St. Louis departure, good day.
For departure, Falcon 00 Bravo, thanks for the help. Good day.
Medevac gaslight 157, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, fly runway heading, medevac gaslight 157.
Gaslight 157, you can contact St. Louis departure.
Sure, gaslight 157, see you now.
The wind is 260 at 13, gust 23. Clear track 660, traffic departing prior to arrival citation, getting ready to take the runway now. Base approved, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Base approved, runway 26 left, cleared to land, crew check 660.
Right off 5 straight into the ramp, you can remain this frequency.
Right off Alpha 5, straight into the ramp, remain on this frequency, crew check 660.
Spirit Tower, gaslight 7 on the visual for 26 left.
Gaslight 7, Spirit Tower, number 2, following Cherokee, base turning about 1.5 miles final. Runway 26 left, clear to land.
Land 26 left, number 2 behind Cherokee, gaslight 7.
Air charter taxi via Alpha, you can remain this frequency.
Taxi air charter via Alpha, this frequency, gaslight 7.
Spirit Tower, Cherokee 9513 Charlie, we're holding short at Alpha 2, ready whenever you send us.
Cherokee 13 Charlie, left turn on course approved, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Cleared on 26 left turn course approved, 13 Charlie.